if you take out those audio cues of a there's a car coming towards you, then you put people at potentially increased risk in city spaces. By the time you're up to about somewhere between 20 to 30 kilometers an hour, the actual sound of the tyres on tarmac or the aeroacoustic noise of the car just moving through the air actually takes over as the main noise source. So the focus of our work here is just to reinforce the sound that's essentially missing when we go into a battery electric vehicle.